Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to finding the best tools for your everyday needs. Today, we're diving into something every garage and workshop should have: the Godboy gasket and spout replacement.
If you're tired of messy refueling or struggling with old, leaky spouts, this might just be the solution you've been looking for.
This right here is the Godboy gasket and spout replacement kit. Now, what makes this so special?
Well, let me tell you, it's not just your average spout. It's designed to fit most the 1st or the 2nd of May 10-gallon oil cans, ensuring a snug and secure fit with its threaded connections and durable HDPE material. The kit includes everything you need: 5 yellow spouts, 10 screw collar caps, spout caps with sealing gaskets, and even vent caps for various oil cans.
Plus, they've thoughtfully included a drill bit for installation, making it a complete package for hassle-free use.
Now, why do I call this the best old-style gasket and spout? It's simple yet effective. The threaded spout and cap, along with a rubber sealing ring, ensure no spills or leaks, even when your can is turned upside down during transport. That's a game-changer, especially if you're tired of dealing with messy fuel spills.
Speaking of user experience, let's talk about installation.
It's straightforward. All seals work great, and the wider rubber gaskets provide a tight, reliable seal. Users have praised its durability and ease of use, giving it a solid 4.3 out of 5 stars on Amazon with over 1,400 ratings.
Users love how it brings back that old-school reliability without sacrificing modern convenience. Whether you're refueling a lawnmower, generator, or any other equipment, this kit ensures a spill-free experience every time. So, if you're ready to upgrade your gasket experience and say goodbye to leaks and spills, click the link in the description below to grab your Godboy gasket and spout replacement kit today.
Trust me, your garage will thank you.
That's all for today's review on Product Critique.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on tools and gadgets that make your life easier.
Until next time,
happy tinkering!